Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are actually talking about something that I am not too thrilled about talking about. This is not going to be like the usual videos I make that are super refined. I may make edits here and there, but something came up today that I feel like needs to be addressed. And I mean addressed. And that is the fact that a lot of Uber drivers, whether it's Uber, UberEats, they didn't get paid today. Oh, but it's Memorial Day weekend. There's supposed to be a day delay. Yet that's it. It's a day. It hasn't come through for a lot of people yet who are waiting on that deposit. I was just on Facebook, and one of the things that somebody was saying, like, hey, I need this money to pay some bills. Like, this is why I do Uber Eats, and if they're not gonna pay me, what's going on? Obviously, Uber is not necessarily skimping out on paying drivers, but here's what happens when you call. I'm gonna skip through all of the prompts and all that because I don't think everybody needs to sit here and listen to that.
Each earnings period starts on Monday at 4 a.m. and ends the following Monday at 3:59 a.m. Any trip taken after the earnings period ends will be included in the following week's statement. Some banks take additional time to process earnings, so you might not see your deposit until Friday. If you still don't receive your earnings after 3 business days, go to the website t.uber.com/missing deposit and contact us with a copy of your bank account statement. Please be aware that we are currently experiencing a known processing issue that may have caused a slight delay in your earnings reaching your account. Our team is working to resolve this issue as quickly as possible. We appreciate your patience.
Now, I don't know what quickly as possible really means, but there are people that depend on Uber Eats. They depend on apps like Doordash and Grubhub. And this happened to Grubhub not too long ago. I think it was only a couple weeks ago. If you haven't heard about that, I'll leave that video in the description. Feel free to check that out as well. But it raises a concern for me. Is there a financial issue between the actual payouts on these apps, or is there just an overall issue, period? Now, again, there are also the people that are saying the I told you so song of, this is why I cash out every single day. Oh, this is why I get the Uber Pro card, so that way they come out the same day. I know. Shut up. You're not wrong. But here's the reality. A lot of the people that use these apps aren't interested in paying 25 cents every single time. Although I am definitely going to make a video about it now because I think people should know what their alternatives are. And those are 2 of them right away. It's Instant Cash Out Pro Card, which I'll leave a video about the Uber Pro Card as I don't typically like the idea of leaving my income in the hands of people who are paying out to companies that are owned by the same company I work for. I get that, but it raises a question if it's necessary at this point, because this is becoming a growing issue. This isn't just Grubhub. This isn't just Uber Eats. These are these hiccups that happen everywhere. And you know what it is? Maybe it's not actually like, oh, they're running out of money. Maybe somebody in the back office, or maybe they're even using some of the same payout processing systems, although Uber's pretty singular in that way. They're kind of just trying to create a super app. If there's going to be continuous issues in terms of payment, then I think that needs to be accounted for in how you actually get paid. And I feel like we need to actually take some time and really think about this. Now, let's say it happens to Doordash, because I'll tell you what, if it happens to Doordash, the internet is going to explode. But why is it happening? Is there some sort of benefit that the back office is gaining from the 1-day delay in payment? What about Uber Eats? Like, is there some sort of benefit for them too? Or maybe they're trying to get a loan pushed out as quickly as possible so they can properly pay people, which I don't even know how that actually works. But it's frustrating. Like, thank God I have reserves for this. Thank God I have multiple apps that I earn income from. This is why you diversify. Because when these things happen, and they do, don't get it twisted, they absolutely do, it is frustrating for all parties involved. And you know what the worst part about this is? I had to reach out to Uber Eats about it. That was the support automated line. Usually what would happen here for Grubhub is that they send an email about it, which is great. and I really appreciate the transparency in that, right? But that didn't happen here. That didn't happen at all. If you actually looked in your bank account for the first time today and your payment wasn't there, you'd be like, what the hell happened? But this is why you diversify your income portfolio, because you never know what's gonna happen. To be honest with you, that's all I got for today. I didn't really put a lot of time and effort into figuring all this stuff out. I haven't been feeling 100% today. So I'm trying to fix myself before I go pushing myself to scripting or something like that. And let's be honest, this was a big event that I needed to cover today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!